Using gift funds as a down payment to buy a house can be a great way to achieve your dream of homeownership. Here are 3 things that you need to know about using gift money on an FHA loan. Number 1, you have to know who can give you the money. Lots of people assume that only immediate family members can give gift money, but that's not always the case. Some lenders may allow gifts from relatives like grandparents, in-laws, aunts and uncles, or even close family friends. Number 2, it's important for you to get a gift letter from the person who gave you the money, stating that the money is a gift and not a loan. And you may need to provide documentation of the transfer of money into your bank account. The donor will need to provide documentation that they have the money to give you as well. And number 3, depending on how much money you are gifted, you may or may not be taxed on it. According to the IRS for 2023, gift money of $17,000 or more per person per year may be subject to gift tax. Just be sure to check with your accountant to ensure you are complying with all the tax laws. Overall, using gift money as a down payment can be a great way to achieve your homeownership goals as a buyer. Give me a call to discuss how you can utilize this tactic today.